Oh, Daddy's hand. Hey, this is Jocelyn, Doug's wife. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing a large family meal ideas for camping. This is part of a large family meals collab that's put on by Megan from Pennies And Salt. Since we were just on vacation, I thought that I would join in with a camping meal edition. You can check out all the other Mama's large family meal videos in the description below. Who likes cheesecake? I do. So as a large family, it is so expensive to go out to eat. So to save money, I spend time prepping our suppers at home before we leave. The girls love to help with this. It only took just a few hours one afternoon and we were good to go. Cooking up some chopped bacon, just to go on eggs, mac and cheese, or whatever we want to throw it into when we are camping. This is the macaroni and cheese, putting butter and Alfredo into it. We're going to top it off with some cheese and then top it with bacon. This bacon is just for throwing into eggs or whatever we want to use it for while we're gone. This is about 6 pounds of taco meat that I cooked up for taco salad. Gonna up some sausage for the ravioli. This is a ravioli with meat sauce, and I'm just going to top it with mozzarella and freeze it up and put it in the camper freezer, and we can pop it in when we're camping at any time. We have 2 Ziploc bags full of the sliders, the sandwiches that are all made up, and in here I put it in a Ziploc bag. I'm going to put it in the freezer. So there's some butter, Worcestershire sauce, mustard, poppy seeds, there's garlic and onion powder, and yeah, everything I need to melt that down and pour over top of the sliders. We have blueberry muffins for breakfast this morning, and we are on the road. The kids were really excited to have cereal on vacation, so we had that a couple times. A couple of the mornings we just had some plain yogurt with maple syrup drizzled over and topped with granola. So for breakfast one morning we had this like French toast casserole, and all I did was like chop up some raisin bagels and put them in the bottom of a pan, and then I mixed up some egg and milk and cinnamon, and then you dump that over the top of the bagels and you just bake it. And then when it came out of the oven, I mixed up some cream cheese and added some maple syrup to it, and then I just drizzled it over the top, and it was so delicious. So on to lunches. This day we had hot dogs and applesauce, but mostly we just had sandwiches. We just made it easy, and sandwiches were just something that everybody enjoyed and were super simple for me. You're wearing your first summer outfit ever! First summer outfit ever! You silly.
You look so pretty today. So pretty.
Yeah, she does.
Pretty like summertime. Beep, 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 beep.
We're having sandwiches and chips at the campsite. The kids can make their own, and we're doing it outside so we don't have to worry about the mess on the floor. Good job, Min. Good job.
We have meat sandwiches and peanut butter and jelly. I like to buy the sliced cheese to go on sandwiches. That works well. Good job, Selah. Good job. I also like to buy this kind of like paper plastic tablecloth to go over the tables. And you can buy it in a roll like at Costco or Sam's Club. I think I got this at Sam's Club. Just in a big roll so you can cut it to size, and that just helps keep everything a little bit more sanitary with the kids. They like to eat off of the table. Yeah, we're on St. George Island and the ocean is like right there, the Gulf of Mexico.
So before the trip, I stocked up on snacks at Sam's Club, and we got quite a few different things. Granola bars, Cheez-Its, kettle corn. We got these sour raisin snacks. They were really good, actually. No added sugar, which I liked. But we still got fruit snacks too, and granola bars, and a big bag of chocolate, which, yeah, the kids were like so excited. We even stopped and got some shakes, once on the way to Florida and then again on the way home.
Hey guys, enjoying your shakes? Okay, we are just out of Nashville, Tennessee. We made it from Michigan to Tennessee in one day. And the sun is going down. So this is an Alfredo mac and cheese with bacon on top. And we are serving it with a kale side salad. Is it good? Yeah? What do you think, Selah?
Good.
Good? Yum. First night in the camper and we cooked the mac and cheese going down the road, hoping that it wouldn't fly out of the oven.
So on this night we just had the sliders, the ham and Swiss cheese sliders, and we just served it on the side with some carrots and hummus. It was really easy and quick dinner. And I will have the recipe down below. This was a campground in DeSoto State Park in Alabama, and we decided to grill hamburgers.
I'm praying right now, Mom.
Oh, sorry.
You want tomato on your shoe?
Who likes cheesecake?
I
So we arrived in Florida kind of late one night, so instead of baking the ham like I thought I was going to, I actually just stuck it in the microwave and heated it up with the glaze over the top. And then I cooked some carrots on the stove, and we had just had buttered rolls. Our second night in Florida, I made a taco salad with taco meat that I had cooked up previously at home, and then I just chopped up some lettuce, added some black beans, chopped some tomatoes, and then it's Thousand Island dressing with a little taco seasoning mixed into it, and crunched up some Doritos on top. Another late night supper was just plain tacos with cheese on top, some sour cream, and I think those are red pepper because I didn't have any tomatoes left. But it tasted really good. Okay, so we have just stopped at a gas station to get some gas, and forgive my appearance, we're camping, you know? I haven't really brushed my hair very much today, and I have terrible sunburn if y'all see. Anyways, I wanted to show you how we cook things in the camper oven while going down the road. So I wrapped tinfoil around the outside of here, so if the casserole were to get bumped forward while we were driving, it will like not be able to, it'll stop. So that actually makes me feel much safer. I don't think I've ever done that before, and we haven't ever had something fly out of the oven, but this makes me rest easy. This door could like fly open. It's not that safe actually, but I don't know if you're actually supposed to bake stuff when you're going down the road or not, but it is so handy for us to be able to travel and then stop and then have our dinner ready for us. So I'm willing to risk it, but this will make it a lot safer, I think, and it won't come out. All right, there we go. So this ravioli I had made at home, and I just put it in the oven to cook while we were on the road, and it was the last meal I think I served in the camper before we got home. We did end up going out to eat twice on vacation, once just through a drive-through, and then once we went through a local seafood place. That was really tasty too. So we had a great vacation. We were really happy to get home though, because a couple days after we left, the whole coronavirus scare started happening. We kept the kids in the camper and in the great outdoors, and God kept us safe. Yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. See y'all in the next one. God bless. Bye.